Radish. Radish. It's okay, baby girl. Come on. That's a girl. Come on. This is Radish. She's got a little kink in her tail, so you can tell which one she is. There's also, oh, here comes, is that you, Carrot? Oh, yep, this is Carrot. Hi, baby. He's basically a perfect little chipmunk. He's got no marks on him. And then there is Beetle, who I'm pretty sure is like the main male in this area because he's the most territorial. And he's also the most brazen one, who will just literally run up and try to grab the peanuts out of the cup. It's pretty funny. I think they're all taking their nuts back now.